Find or read reviews that people are talking about Meideli professional blender for shakes and smoothies. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Meideli professional blender for shakes and smoothies. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The smooth and tasty food and the nutritious and healthy beverages can be provided for your family members by this product because it can break the cell walls of hard foods and soft foods in a few seconds to extract nutrients and vitamins super fast. The kitchen countertop blender has a super powerful motor of 28,000 RPM, 2.25 HP, and 2,200 watt power with 2 stainless steel blades, which allows you to crush ice and food faster than other blenders and make ingredients smoother. Made of the premium ABS material, the product is durable and sturdy. All food-related materials is BPA-free. The self-cleaning function of the mixer can be completed in 30 to 60 seconds, which is very suitable for kitchen use. The length of the product is 50 cm, the width is 22.5 cm, and the height is 20 cm. The variable speed control function provides multiple food textures, and the built-in pulse of the blender help make nutritious food intelligently and easily. It can be used to make a variety of beverages and food, such as milkshakes, green juices, dry meals, hot soups, sauces, food diets, ice creams, fresh juices, etc. The 68-ounce large capacity cup can mix most daily foods. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.